Hi crypto family, welcome back to the channel. Today we are covering an early stage gem that's flying under the radar, Flaze Coin, a futuristic project building on AI integrated blockchain ecosystem from the ground up. I will share the Flaze Coin pre-sale all detail here, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this brilliant futuristic project named as Flaze Coin. Flaze Coin is not just another meme coin, it's developing its own launchpad, a smart DEX, and eventually a fully layer one blockchain to support AI use cases. Everything from automated orders to predictive liquidity routing, you can see it here too. And they have ultra low gas L1 chain with the rug resistance launchpad and smart DEX coming in 2026. So a blockchain ecosystem for AI revolution in 2026. Their website coming in 24 July 2025, and you can see the pre-sale price is 0.008 per token. Launch price is 0.01, which is equal to instant gain. So you can see right now the token pre-sale is live on pink sale at just 0.008 with a soft cap of $6k and a hard cap of $24k. The entry point is low, the liquidity is locked for 90 days, and there are no buy or sell taxes, which make it attractive to early investor. Now of course, and I say this every time, this is not a financial advice. I always recommend you to do your own research before jumping into any pre-sale project. That said, the fundamental and the roadmap on this one look pretty interesting, especially with their focus on building real infrastructure in 2026. So you can see their details, their address is given. They have the final release for pre-sale, which is 40%, and other than that, 1 USDT is equal to 125 Flaze Coin, and the starting time is given, which is 12 and the ending time is 26. You can see it here. Furthermore, there all the details is given. No buy and sell text here. Smart contract is verified here. You can see the pre-sale will end in 3 days, 2 hours and approximately 47 seconds. So you can see all is given: a decentralized exchange, a rug resistant launchpad for safe new token launches, NFT marketplace, and smart staking system integration with the real world AI application. So I will go to their website and share with you the Flaze. You can see their contract address is given. You can see Flaze is a visionary crypto project building a complete AI driven layer 1 blockchain ecosystem targeting its full rollout by 2026. Its mission is to create a secure, scalable, low gas ecosystem that includes a decentralized exchange, a rug resistant launchpad for safe new token launches, NFT marketplace, and smart staking system integrating with a real world AI application. Think of Flaze as a future ready blockchain infrastructure like Solana, but with built-in AI support and a safer environment for retail investors. You can see you can easily be able to buy it on a Pancake Swap from 26th of July. The Flaze ecosystem will be designed to even your grandparents can launch a project or trade. It's going to be that easy and cheap. You can see it here. Their Flaze Explorer is given. You can see, look what you see, want to join their vision. You can see Flaze Coin, which is Q2 of 2025, Flaze Coin Q3 of 2026. You can see Flaze Dex is Q3 2026 and Flaze Bridge is Q3. You can see all that here. They do not just offer a coin, they offer a solution. So it's just another BSC token. They are working on launching their own launchpad DEX and eventually completing blockchain network. So intelligent blockchain inside and use your fingerprints. Flaze scan will be a key tool for exploring the Flaze network, a layer 1 blockchain focused on secure decentralized data. It's enable user to transaction addresses, you can see, and you can explore mid of 2026. So trade with little effort. You can see it here. The Flaze Dex leverages with Ethereum virtual you can see machines are given here, and with a vision of to become complete crypto ecosystem about 2026 built on Binance Smart Chain. For its early token phase, Flaze aims to revolutionize how users engage with the decentralized finance by combining speed, low fees, and secure DeFi. They have transformed your business or hobbies, and you can see it here. There is utility driven application with the auto liquidity and staking ecosystem. So you can create your own tokens in a second. It is a user friendly. Your grandparents can also do that. They claim that you can see from your own Picasso to your 5-year-old's artwork, even your music. You can see that they will go for 2027 or 2028. You can see they have the FAQs, which is going on. The core vision is to provide an all-in-one crypto environment that empowers both developers and investors with enhanced safety, efficiency, and transparency here. So you can see the details. Their launch window is ends July 2026, 2025. Act fast. They have low visibility yet very small pre-sale funding so far, suggesting high early potential. But also you can see good interviewing points, which is given here about their given all the details. You can see it here. So furthermore, you can go and join them on their social media accounts like their Twitter, which is given here, and you can see it here. They have the BNBCA is given, means contact addresses, and the details is given. You can see they do not just offer a coin, they offer a whole solution here. So it is good for you to work on it, and all the details about it is given here. And it is an upcoming blockchain ecosystem built for AI driven. You can see all that. So you can also go and join them on their Telegram if you want to know more about that project. Must join their social media account so that you can easily be able to be a part of it. So I share all the details. I will recommend you to join the pre-sale, but do your own research too before entering it. And I share all the details. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification on my new videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.